Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a picture-in-picture overlay inside of Clipchamp. So this is great if you're doing some reaction content, for example, where you have a webcam in one area of your screen and a video playing underneath. And it's really easy to do in Clipchamp. All you have to do is make sure that you have both your videos in your timeline. In this case, I'm going to be using the car as my background footage. And then I'm going to be using this short clip or this video for the overlay, for the picture in picture overlay. Now, this is just an example, so I'm pretty much just using stock footage, but you can use any type of footage that you have. So let's go ahead and get started. Once both clips are in your timeline, simply select the clip in your timeline, and then you're going to see a few options appear here at the top. So click on the more menu or the more button, and it should show you a few things. And what we're interested in is picture in picture. So there are a few preset settings. So let's go with top left. There you go. As you can see, it has automatically created a picture in picture overlay for us. We can resize and readjust if need be, but overall it does a pretty good job using the default settings. So let's go ahead and play that, and they fit together pretty seamlessly. So that's just one way of making a PIP or picture in picture overlay, and it's really easy to do inside of Clipchamp, and it can save you a whole lot of time. And if you combine this with the feature that allows you to record both your screen and your camera or one of them at separate times, you're going to wind up saving a whole lot of time editing. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.